If your raw material is soft, but your operation is not profitable, the problem is not the rock, it's your plant. This is an 800 TPH Tuff crushing plant, engineered by Dongman, designed to deliver consistent, high-quality aggregates for demanding markets. Tuff features low abrasiveness and easy processing, which, with the right configuration, enables high output, low wear, and strong profitability. This is not just a production line, it's a complete solution. Reducing downtime and maximizing long-term returns. The plant adopts a three-stage crushing configuration. Dual-draw crushers for efficient primary crushing. Crushers for secondary and tertiary crushing. Ensuring stable and efficient performance at every stage, making every ton of material more valuable. With environmentally conscious design and efficient resource utilization, the plant balances productivity with sustainability. Final results: uniform particle shape, multiple product sizes for flexible markets, stable output of 800 tons per hour, helping clients achieve higher profit margins. We don't aim to be the cheapest. We deliver less downtime, lower long-term cost, more stable returns. That's why premium clients choose Dongman. If you are planning a mining project, Dongman provides fully customized crushing and screening solutions.